Hello, it's Starr. Hope this video finds you well. Today I'm sharing my quinoa kale tomato stew with sweet potato. And you're going to need some celery, kale, sweet potato. I used diced onions that I had in the bag back there and some diced tomatoes as well as a yellow bell pepper. And I'm using this quinoa, the tricolor vegetable mix by Trader Joe's. And first I'm just starting out with the quinoa because you have to boil it. I'm just using 1 cup. And it's really up to you how much you want to use, but 1 cup was a good serving size and I had leftovers. And here's the water. I like to just put it in the pot as is, and then I just stir it around because I'm just going to let it soak in with some salt. And then put on the fire and then let it boil out. To cook the sweet potato, I decided to use the microwave because it's easier and it's faster. You just want to put it on about 6 or 7 minutes depending on your microwave though, because some microwaves are hotter than others. And you want to poke some holes in it with a knife, and as you can see it can be a struggle, so just take your time and poke the holes in. And you want to make sure that your sweet potato is really cleaned off well. And you're going to use a paper towel to wrap it up, and you want to make sure that it's moist, so I went ahead and added a little bit more water to dampen the paper towel, and then I'm just going to place it in the microwave and it's going to bake. Now moving on to the kale, you just want to grab a few pieces of the kale, and you want to make sure that you look at all the strips of kale because sometimes you may have like residue or anything on it, and you want to make sure that you can cleanse it off when you see it. Then you're just going to hold and cut. I don't have like no special way to do this. I just try my best to not cut myself and just squeeze down and hold as I'm going. Now here's what I like to use to wash my fruits and vegetables, and this is a soap cleansing non-toxic ingredients, and it's plant-based, and I got it from Whole Foods. And I like to wash my vegetables really well with it. You spray a little bit on it and you just cleanse it really well with cold water. Now I'm just cutting up some celery and then the yellow bell pepper because I like to prep everything before I go back over to the pan. I added the kale and the tomatoes along with some olive oil and a little bit of water in the pot just so it can steam out everything. And then I'm going to add the peppers, the celery, and the fun part of adding the seasonings. My personal favorite is a little sea salt, onion powder, garlic, paprika, some black crushed pepper, and a little bit of red crushed pepper. And then you want to make sure everything just simmers together. And as it's like cooking up together, it's getting all the fragrance and all the flavors together, so that'll be really good. Then go back into your quinoa. You want to make sure that you don't burn it out. And the last touch is adding some sweet potato, and I just grabbed it out of the microwave and I'm cutting it up into cubes, and I'm going to transfer it over into a bowl. The one that I'm not going to use for the moment, I just store it in a container because I can have it for the next day. And there you have it. Here's my dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you are not already, and turn on your notifications. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please join me. I'll talk to you soon. Be well.